Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I am playing Roblox. Where'd the skateboard go?
The skateboard is useless. Drop the items. Drop the items for Tim.
Okay, so if you can't tell, I'm wearing my microphone backwards. Oi.
Making a video, are you, bruh? Oh yeah. I am David Me.
This is hard.
You will never run from me and my glowing ninja stars. Drop the thing. Let him have the item. Here, person that I totally. Hold on, wait. I need to keep.
Oh wait a minute. Oh yeah.
Jump.
Oh, I thought there was a green spot still.
Jump.
That was bad.
Jump. Jump.
I'm going to try and see if I can solve any problems at all. But this is like really hard. Like, this is really hard.
No, I don't want that.
Raining hot dogs. That's some big hot dogs.
Hot dogs!
Those are some big hot dogs.
They're fat and ugly too. Like, who doesn't put...
Can you touch them and not die?
That person that just exploded in front of you.
Touch the hot dog. Okay, I think this will work better. I don't know. Survived a round. Yay, I got 220 points. Wonderful. Yes. Okay, get down lowest I can. Lel.
No. Oh, Tim.
Yes.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Simon?
Hmm?
Are you using time?
Yes.
You do realize you only got 5 minutes from school today, right?
Yes.
Okay. David. Tim.
So. Oh, gotta get to the button first. To the button. No, the button was pressed. Aww. No, that sucked. That was bad. Yep. I am on the button.
Wait, has the room already appeared?
Yeah. So, oi. My arm is tired from just holding it up. So uncomfortable. The walls are closing in.
Go to the middle! Go to the middle of the map! Try to get in the middle.
I am having...
Just stay right there and look around. We'll see what middle is. Tim's under you.
Can I have some coils?
Yeah, about that. Let's go over here.
Coils. Now.
I don't think you can get in this game. No. Backspace. Oh, you can't. No, you get it and you find it. Backspace.
No.
I don't think the backspace works on my computer.
She took it.
No, it worked.
Dang it. Raining hats. Get under something. Yes. Oh my goodness, there are so many hats. Destructive hats. I am having such a hard time with the setup. Yes. A what? Sure.
So you can kill giant noobs and zombies and crazy Robloxians and ghosts.
Oi. Turkey leg. Yay.
Yum. Yum. Yum.
David, did you find the
Yum.
paper?
Yum. No.
Okay. My arm is tired just from holding it up because of the placement of everything. Sticker placement of everything. Right here. I'm right here.
Hut, 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 hut.
Have you seen the sheet of the torn paper, that sticker paper?
Pick it up.
It was.
Got it.
No?
It disappeared. They're like, give me coils. See?
I want to get up. Ah. What is it? Oh. Get down. Get down. I don't think it's possible to get behind the house. Never mind.
You get a whole coil.
Where'd the coil go?
They disappear. No.
He's dropping them off
Avalanche. Avalanche.
Turkey-headed ninny mug. Turkey-headed ninny mug.
Cotton-headed ninny mug.
Turkey-yeti ninny mug. No, turkey-yeti ninny mug.
Yeti. Hey,
Da na 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 na. Da 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 da. I'm right here, man.
Are you okay?
Oh! Flying explosive noobs. I can't run. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. There are flying explosive noobs above us. No, I'm not safe. Evil noob. I died. That stupid noob blew me up.
A green shirt.
There's a noob that is falling from the sky. That is. Oi.
Hey, Jim.
I need to get up.
Is it like rising oil? Or flash flood? Or flash flood?
I don't think the acid. Oh, lava.
Probably more like flash flood.
I need to get up. Let me up. Let me up.
Jumping at the very highest part of there. Oh no, it's not going that high.
You sure?
Fine.
Wait.
Okay.
No.
There goes the house. Oh,
Whoa. Whew.
I love this guy. You listen to Jim. Oh, get under the house.
Yoshi eggs.
Touch the Yoshi eggs. They're dangerous.
Evil Yoshi eggs.
Get in the corner.
I never thought I'd live to see the day where Yoshi eggs were evil.
Pew, pew,
You can go to the corner
pew, pew,
and they can't hit you in the corner.
Yeah, but I prefer to be in the middle of the map though.
Tim,
Pew, 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 pew.
Turn up your audio.
I survived.
Escar, enter. You didn't survive. It is
Pew, pew,
Put
pew.
your audio up.
I'll put up my audio, okay?
Good job.
Turn up your audio higher. Go to James with his pew pew laser gun.
Pew, pew,
James will
pew,
shoot a
pew,
pew pew
pew,
laser
pew,
gun.
pew, pew, pew. I will live in the shop. Fusion coil?
I never thought my brother would live the day to see a pew pew. a coil with all of them. Listen. Go up. Listen.
No.
Oh, he's down.
Dang it. No, I need to get them.
Collection points.
Yeah, they give you points.
I wonder what I'll get if with the water shield. Nothing. That
well,
sucks.
Actually, you got more points.
Really?
Yeah. Now, run into those bugs. Those are better.
Lel. Dude, gotcha.
James is gonna get the giant ring. He's actually parkoured onto the bomb before.
PewDiePie? No, not PewDiePie. What? I have like 4 minutes left on this. Woo! Let's see. PewDiePie. The house imploded. The house imploded. Oi. Super gravity coil, 18,000.
David and James go. Dinner one day.
Exploding pies.
Half an hour for what?
Who got it?
Until she has the pizza, no, she hasn't. David. So,
I got the big.
do what did I say? What did James just tell you I said?
I know how to get the big coil. Boing. There are no more rings. Everybody collected rings. Emerald Hill Zone. Tsunami. Boing. Oh, dang it. I failed. I failed in what I thought I would succeed. No! Okay. Speed coil. No. Regen. Boing! 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 That was the highest boing I'd ever did. Oi. It's like no one can survive this tsunami.
Hey, get the gravity coil.
I'm gonna get it.
To reset your character now. James set a booby trap there.
Disaster Terminator.
Use your speed coil.
I'm going to run at it. You will die, Terminator. I went straight through it.
You're in the Terminator's foot.
The Terminator cannot hit me. I am invincible in his shoe. I am invincible to his shoe.
Okay, guys, Tapjoys wants to say bye, but he didn't check the time.
Yeah, so this is like the end of the video. Remember to like and subscribe and stuff. And
Random stuff is fun.
yeah. So this is like the end.
Oh
no,
bro.
Oh no. How am I gonna get off? Okay. Ah!
You can't get off that unless